Do you want to be able to pay on McDonald's app using your McDonald's gift card? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to do this. So the first step is going to be, of course, a very simple step. You need to firstly go into your McDonald's app, and then you should be taken to this page right here, or it's going to be something similar to you basically. So as you can see in in the bottom middle, it says rewards and deals, as you can see. So we're going to click here right now. The next step is going to be for you to sign into your account. What you're going to do after that, if you want to be able to place an order online on the McDonald's app, then of course you're going to select what kind of store that you want to be able to buy from. So select the correct store near you, or the store that you are in right now, and double check, because I have done this mistake myself, unfortunately, that I have not double checked and I ordered from like a wrong McDonald's basically. So double check so the location is correct. Now when the location is correct, then what you're going to do is to start selecting the food that you want to be able to get. Now when you're on the checkout phase, then instead of using your card or whatever else you have as your payment method, you're going to click on select your gift card. And then after that, if you haven't already entered your gift card details in McDonald's app, then you will probably need to do so as well, and then select that as a payment method instead. So basically this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.